Hello out there. I'm Ushmid, the one in charge of training and development at Ushmid Technologies Limited. In this webcast, I'll be taking you through the administrator dashboard of our bulk SMS system. On this web page is the Do Business With Us page at ushmid.com. So over here we have a demo account of our dashboard. I'll be taking you through shortly. Okay, so below are a demo account details of our bulk SMS system we would set up for you. Okay, so now here is the admin login, and up here is the website for your clients to register, sign in, and send messages. So we'll be taking a look at the admin dashboard. So I'll follow this link here. So let me just click on it. There's demogh.admin.smsmenu.net. What this means is that the smsmenu.net domain is the free domain that Ushmid Technologies would use for anyone who wants to become a reseller and does not own a domain. But if you also opt for us to register a domain for you, we will do that in the name of your brand. Okay, alright. And the subdomain for this admin dashboard is the demogh admin. So over here, the copyright company is demo company. So we would replace your company name or your brand name over here instead of this. And also here would be your company name admin.smsmenu.net. Good. Alright, so let's log in. Let me get the credentials here. Admin username. Okay, the username that you provide us to set up your system for you will be what you put in place of this. So let me just copy demogh as the username, and the password too is demogh. I already have it on my clipboard, so let me just paste. Alright, you can now log in. So this is just a free demo account that anybody can have a look at to have a feel of our bulk SMS system. Alright, I'm in the dashboard now. What you can see is the dashboard. It's a welcome demogh. Let's go straight to the system. So manage system over here. We have manage user, job management. You can change the admin password. You can customize your client dashboard, user interface. Sorry, you can customize your website, manage your features, manage sign up. Okay, online payment. This online payment is meant for PayPal link. If you want to accept payment through PayPal, you can embed the link here so that you can check your transactions. Okay, and over here is report. Under report, here you can view your daily statistics, your SMS reports for individual, like maybe a user complaint of message not being sent. Okay, or or you want to see how many messages your client have sent. Okay, you can do the monitoring from this place. So when you go here, you can just select the user and submit. All details about that user's transaction will be displayed, okay, for you to monitor the messages and quantity, and to be able to troubleshoot when they report of any issue. Mail log report. Okay, the emails that are being sent during sign up, during account top-ups, you can do a follow-up from here. Users routing report. Okay, these are all verification reports. You can have a look at later. Summary report gives you a summary total of all your users, like with respect to the day or the date and month. You can query through with monthly or daily statistics to tell you how many messages was sent on this particular day, how many messages was sent through MTN, all the networks. You can get the details from this place. Coverage details tells you how much you, the reseller, okay, the company, is being charged per SMS from Ushmid.com, okay, from Ushmid Technologies. Alright, and here is credit details. Credit details tell you how much the admin, have in your main account. Okay, so we'll be having a look at this, okay, later on. Alright, let me go straight to the website. Okay, here mentions manage website. So which website, or sorry, customized website. So which website is being referred to over here? Let me have a look at this website. The website address for this demo account was just demogh.smsmany.net. okay, if you have your own domain, you can point to www domain to your main website for you. Okay, but then you could also create a subdomain like sms.yourdomainname.net.or.com. okay, but over here for demo purpose, we are using demogh.smsmany.net, which is the website where, or the SMS system where clients will register, sign up, and log in into their account. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Let's wait. Yes, so this is the standard SMS website for that we will set up for you. Okay, so you can use this, manage this as your main website for the meantime. If you don't have a flashy website like what we have here at ushmid.com, or you could manage this as your main website for the meantime. You have the standard pages here: homepage, about us, products and services, which you can put the rest of your information there. If you have other services that you render, you can add them over here in this page. Your pricing can be here. Clients log in from here and they sign up from here. They can contact you from here, and frequently asked questions, that's fact. You can put some frequently asked questions and solve them over here. Alright, it's a welcome to demo bulk SMS website. Okay, you can download the desktop application, Android application, BlackBerry application, or you can download the Java app and use on your phones. Okay, alright, and see here we have account code for login to apps is DMGH hyphen your username. I will explain this to you later, but then briefly let me try and do this. This code is given to you anytime that this is a system code. Anytime that you set up your account for you, you will have a search code. Okay, it will be in line with your domain name or your username. Okay, so this is to enable users login without third-party apps like the Android app, the desktop app, and so on. Okay, so this code is very, very important. They begin the username with this code. Okay, your code hyphen and their username. But when they are logging in from the web interface, from here, clients log in from here, okay, they will not begin with the code. They will just enter the username they provided during sign up. Okay, alright, so let's have a look at the login interface. So when they click on login, they enter their username here, okay, and their password here, and they are in. Alright, let's look at the sign up page. This is the form that users must fill to register or sign up. Okay, alright, let's go on back to the administrator dashboard. Let's go on to have a look at manage user. The timeout has reached. By default we have set a timer for security reasons. Okay, in case you leave your computer idle and you are gone and you are already logged in into your account, automatically the system will log you out so that you can log back in again if you really are the user of the dashboard. So let me quickly go for the credentials again and log back in. Alright, we are back in now. No. Okay, over here is manage user. This is the interface I'm being provided with now. So far you have just one user here, okay, and it is just a test user. You would have a long list of all your users over here. As soon as they finish registering, after signing up over here, the credentials are being sent to your admin dashboard where you can manage the user. Okay, so let's have a look at managing these users. With just one user on the list, let's have a look at this action button. This is the, you see this little pen under the action? Okay, this is where you, let me click on it. This is where you top up client account. Okay, you can set the default time zone, okay, and other information. This is the information for the about the client when they registered. You will not be able to see the password they use, okay, but then you can reset the password for them over here. When you type a new password here, you have to repeat, confirm the password over here, okay, in case the client want to change his password. Okay, for security reasons, we don't allow client to be able to change their password from their login. When they log into their account, okay, they can't change their password because it's for security reasons. In case anybody get to know their password to log in into their account, okay, that person with bad intention cannot change their password. It's for their own good. It's a security feature settings that we've made over here at our end. So this is to provide security anyway, but then the administrator have the sole responsibility to be able to change the password of users, okay, upon request. So if a user want to change his password, his or her password, you have to request that they provide you with the password they want to use, then you reset for them over here. Good. This is the email address, phone number, but then the phone number, okay, for you to be able to receive alert when you sign up. If you are in Ghana, okay, the phone number when you are signing up should be 233, okay, and your number continues in the international format. Okay, you begin with 233, no plus, no zero, so 541939936 in this order. Then you fill the rest of the details, your contact name, your company name, email ID, your email address, that's your email address, username that you want to use, just one word, okay, your password, you retype your password and you choose your country, Ghana here, and you sign up. Alright, you receive an SMS of your account details to be able to log in. Alright, okay, so we are at the edit of this user. Okay, this is the edit of the user where you can top up account. So credit to add, okay, the amount that the client has paid to be topped up. If the client want to purchase like 50 Ghana cedis credit, this is where you will enter the credit 50 like this. The currency is set to Ghana cedis. So after entering 50 over here, you just submit and the account will be topped up with this amount of money. So you see this price over here, this is the default price. Okay, our system is able to deliver message worldwide. Okay, so by default the location of the client probably would be in Ghana, or will be in Ghana. So the routing that we do for you initially will be for just Ghana, but then when the client send message to outside Ghana, maybe to Nigeria, to USA, Canada, or anywhere, the message will deliver. Okay, but then the routing that we have done for you is on Ghana alone, and we have set a default price for you. Okay, that in case your client send message outside Ghana, that price will be charged. Okay, that one can be managed over here. That's the default price. Okay, so you can also set your default price to say 2 Ghana cedi, 20 pesos, 0.2. Because what Ushmid probably, I don't know, but may give you a reseller will be 0.1, which is 10 pesos for outside Ghana messages. So you can then put just 20 pesos for your billing for your clients in case that client send message outside the country. Okay, this bill will take effect. That is the meaning of this price, the default price. Okay, and over here is the country code, the default country code set when the person wants to schedule messages. In Ghana, this is our default country code, Dublin. Okay, we are in the same country code with London and Lisbon. Okay, so this is our country code for Ghana. You select it, so you can always check if the country code is not on Dublin or Lisbon. You can check and put the right country code for your client, and then you submit. The amount is entered, so let's submit over here. So upon submission, your client should receive an email of the top up. Okay, so this account is now topped up with 50 Ghana cedis. Now, credit allotted, that is the credit that has been entered for the account before, since the account was created. The total credit that the person has purchased. Okay, and this is the current balance on the account. The currency is Ghana cedi. The credit used, this user have not sent any message, and the contact person is what? Ushmid. Alright, let's move on to the next thing. Over here you can see this X in a red circle. This stands for delete. Obviously, if you want to delete a user, this is the button you should click. So let me click and see something here. When you click, say, do you really want to delete selected user? If you want to do that, you click on OK, and the user will be off, will be deleted. Let me cancel it because I'm not deleting this user. Let's move on to routing. Let's manage the routing. Routing is to enable you charge for all your clients, like the per SMS cost when they send messages to a specific country. The country on this account is only Ghana. Okay, so this is the manage routing console. When you click on manage, this pop-up will show up for you to be able to manage the routing. So for each network in Ghana, you can enter the amount you want to charge your client. So when you select Ghana like this, for instance, we have Tigo, Vodafone, MTN, Airtel, and Glo. And you can see this bracket. This is 0.035. Okay, that is the amount Ushmid is charging you. Okay, the administrator per SMS, 3.5 pesos. Okay, as you know, it can go down for you to 2.5 pesos depending on the quantity you buy, depending on your traffic. The more you buy credits into your main account, the cheaper the per SMS cost will give you. Okay, so over here, the first traffic, the initial traffic at 200 Ghana cedis per buy is 0.035, which is 3.35 pesos. Okay, so if we are giving you 35 pesos, how much will you want to charge your client for Tigo? So you can enter the amount you want to charge over here for Tigo. So you select the network and the amount you want to charge over here, which is let's say you want to charge 5 pesos per SMS, which most companies out there is charging per SMS. So 0.05, then you click on submit, and you see it has dropped down here. This is the routing you have done for Tigo on that user. So 0.05, and when the client send message, it will take this amount of credit per SMS sent to Tigo. Okay, you can charge different prices for different networks. You can say when you send to Vodafone, you should charge 0.04, which is 4 pesos per SMS. Okay, it's all the control is in your hands. You can decide how much you want to charge. When you submit it to take effect, and then you can select all. Maybe you want to charge all of them 5 pesos, all of the network 5 pesos per SMS. You just enter 5 here, then you say what, submit. You can enter any amount. You can say 0.045, 0.046, okay, 47 or 48, any digit you want to charge, any amount you want to charge, you can just enter. So let me set it to 0.05 for all networks have been selected. So submit. Alright, so all networks for this user, you'll be charging that person 0.05. Alright, let's close it. So this has taken effect. Then with this 0.05 set, that means that let's calculate how many messages this user can send with 50 Ghana cedis. Charging your user 0.05 and the amount of credit he have is 50 Ghana cedis. Okay, it means 50 times 0.05. Sorry. 50 divided by 0.05 will give me 1000 SMS. That means that your user can send messages up to 1000. Okay. Alright. So I think this will be all for now. Okay, I'll end this webcast, but before I do, let's have a look at let's end it here. I'll continue. I don't want this video to be long, so I'll continue in our next webcast. We'll continue with how to customize the website, okay, how to monitor your client messages, daily statistics, credit details, coverage details, and the rest. Okay, so alright, this webcast was supposed to be for only the client management, the user management, and we've done that perfectly. So thank you for watching, and all the best in your SMS business. Bye for now.